Hi guys, we are here to present our final project, Quizmania. That's the quiz application. It's for our course CS546 web programming, and we are team 22. So this is the front end, and this is the landing page. We have two buttons, home and login. So we'll create the professor registration first. So we'll enter the details over here. Here you can select the user prof type, that is professor and student. So I'll select professor. These are the universities. So here the professor and students are linked with the university email ID. So all those at Steven CTU students will be able to see the at Steven CTU professor's content. And similarly, it will be for all the other universities. So we'll click on submit. The front end is made using ExpressBar, HTML, and CSS. So now you can see the confirmation message for the account to be created, and we can head back to the login page. So we'll log in with the same credentials that we made just now. So once you're logged in, you can see four main buttons that are create category, create quiz, student list, and all quiz. So we'll first create a category, and create category will make a category for web programming subject with HTML topic. So I'll submit it. So it gives you a confirmation message saying that it was created. So now you can like mix and match with uppercase and lowercase, but still it won't accept and give you an error saying that the category already exists. So we'll head back to the dashboard. So now we can see the newly created category, and when you click on view all, you can see the subcategory. So now we'll create a quiz for the subject. You can select the start date, that is 14th. The end date, you can select the category. It will show the subcategory. Here you can enter the timer. By default, the timer is 30 minutes, and it will the maximum is 360 minutes. Here you can add the questions. So we can just put some demo data for now. It will accept 4 options and give you an option to enter the correct answer. So now you can add more questions. You can enter up to 10 questions at a time for one quiz. You can even delete a question after it is added. So you can add a question, and if you don't want to add a fifth question, you can just click on delete question and it will remove it. So now we are ready with the quiz. So we'll submit the quiz. So it gives you confirmation that the quiz is submitted. We head back to dashboard. Now you can move to all quiz. Here you can release the quiz and disable the timer. Using node scheduler, we are scheduling the checking the time and date for auto release. So if you don't click on quiz release, it will automatically release after 1 or 2 minutes. But for now, we'll just release the quiz. So it gives you confirmation that it is released successfully. So now we go back to the dashboard, and now we'll move to student module. So this is another tab. You will create a student account. So the Stevens EDU domain will be linked to the Professor Stevens EDU, so I can see the category that was created by Professor. I'll select the student type and you're the university name. So it gives me a confirmation message that the quiz is created, the user account is created, and then it takes me to the login page. So once you are logged in, you can see this page. It says you that you are not accepted by any professor and there's no quiz available because I've not enrolled for any of the courses till now. So first thing is you need to enroll in a course. So you click on enroll now. You can see the list of courses that are available and you click a submit. So this will create a category adding request and the professor will add you to the course. So you go to OK and now we'll move back to professor module. So in the students list in professor module, you can see the student name and there's the option to verify. So once the student is verified, only then he can see the course content. So now we'll log in back. So now since the student was accepted by the professor, he can see the quiz that was created by the professor and there will be an enrollment now button where they can enroll for any other subjects. So we click on view all quiz and over here we'll start the quiz. So it gives the category name, the subcategory name. Here it shows the timer and the 4 questions that we created. So here at a time, 5 questions can be seen. If you have more than 5 questions, you have a scroll bar to check the option other questions. The right click is disabled, so no right clicks will be allowed. You cannot copy paste the questions and search it somewhere. So copy paste is also blocked, and you can move back and forth to any of the questions whenever you want till the quiz is not submitted. So you can go back to 2, 3, 4, again 1. You can change the answers and then save it. So we'll just fill the quiz. You save answer, it automatically moves to the second question. So once all the quiz answers are saved, it gives you option to quiz submit the quiz. So in case I want to change the answer, I just rechange the answer, save it. If I want to change it again, I click on it. So now I can just submit the quiz. It asks for a double confirmation. And once I click OK, it says the quiz is submitted and my score will be available. It automatically redirects to the dashboard. So now if I click again on web programming, it will show no quizzes because after one attempt, the quiz is hidden automatically. So now I can go to view score and I can see my score over here. The category, subcategory, my score and out of score. So similarly in professor module, you can check the professor's dashboard and then go to the subject name. And here when you click on HTML, you can see the student name, email, start date, end date, and the scores. We have also implemented user edit profile. So when you click on the professor's name, you can see the profile information. That is first name, last name, email ID, user type, date created, university name. And I can edit the name, first name and the last name. So I can like add Professor Patrick and click on submit. So it gets updated over here as well as over here. Similarly for the student, so I can change it to student 1. So it gets updated. So So that was my technical presentation. Now I'll talk about the technologies that we have used. We have used Node for backend, ExpressBar, HTML, CSS for frontend, MongoDB for database. Express session is used for maintaining the logged in session. We have encrypted the password while storing it in the database using decrypt. We are preventing XSS attacks. We are using node scheduler for checking date for auto release, and it auto releases around 1 to 2 minutes. We are also using node scheduler for checking the end date. So if the end date is uh, matching the calendar date, like if the date is gone, the quiz will be disabled for all the students. Then so I suppose a student leaves the exam in between, and he has attempted around 2 or 3 questions out of the 5 or 6 questions that are allotted. So to check those 3 questions, we are also using node scheduler. So he gets the marks for those questions. And students and professors are mapped using the at university domain name that they have. So this was Team 22 Quizmania. Thank you.